Hello, people. There was a time when I used to be doing recordings like 10 recordings a day, 25 recordings a day. I mean, video recordings. But now, so that's what I think I should at least stick to 5 recordings a day. That's doable. So, people, this particular book, it's called Tuesdays with Maury. I've done this book review before, but I have to say, people, that there are certain books that have a, like, I would call it a haunting quality, as in you feel like uh, while reading this book I felt like I was part of a dream. Like certain things that happen in your dream are very unreal. I mean, in fact, there's that I mean, Tuesdays with Maury essentially is about this one person who goes to meet his professor, uh, and the professor is terminally ill. So it's it's like the student of his decided to meet him every Tuesday to kind of learn life lessons from him. So in fact, Mitch Albom has his other book also, The Five People You Meet in Heaven. So that again has a that dream type quality. So it's been said that certain books like in Pondicherry, there's this ashram. It's called the Auroville Ashram, the mother in Sri Aurobindo. They set it up. So there they say that when you dream, you visit this. It's called the astral plane. You know, so astral plane is you feel it's you, but and things really are happening, but your physical body is not there. So when you read Mitch Albom's books, album ALBOM, you get that feeling. So Tuesdays with Maury is a very poignant book, people. So I don't know, reading it, it was an emotional experience. So that's the most I can say. But yeah, I would give it a 5-star rating. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.